this is my partner Kasia. My name is Adam. Today we want to suggest you a choreography which could be performed to the song of Calum Scott, You Are the Reason. Basically, this song is a Viennese waltz, so all the time we'll be counting from 1 to 8, like 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Let's start with the choreography. First of all, we are going to show the steps, the first 4 8. It looks like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the 4 first 8s. Let's explain them slowly, a bit slower. We are starting on the other sides of the dance floor. First of all, 8 steps in a rhythm that every pulse equals 1 step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are getting closer to the partner. Next steps, but now we are walking around. 1, 2, 3, 4. We finish like this. And now 5, 6. I put my right hand on the face of my partner. Kasia is doing the same. And then 7, 8. We come a little bit closer, so we could be ready to dance the next steps. Let's show them to the other side. Again, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so back to the previous position. We start with the right foot. Kasia can start with the same foot. And we are doing 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we are walking around. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hand on the face. 5, 6, 7, 8. We are over here. Now the next figure, next steps. We start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The opening. Now let's explain these steps. First of all, my steps. I start with my right foot. I go 1, and then 2. I'm coming back to the left foot. 2, 3 again. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So every pulse equals 1 step. I start with my right foot. 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now to the other side. I'm standing over here, and now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's basically a step with my right foot, and then I go back to my left foot. Now the steps of my partner. She starts backwards with the step to her back with the left foot, and she goes like 1 is a step of her left foot, then step with her right, 2, and again 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is her turn. Around again the turn. Kasia is after the first steps from her left to the right. Now the turn. She starts with the step 5, and she's turning, and then 6, she connects her feet. Then 7, 8, we come a little bit closer to each other, so we'll be ready to dance the next steps. So now to the other side. We finish like this, and now the same steps, but to the other side. Let's go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5 and 6, 7, 8. We come closer. Let's show these steps together. We are over here. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now we are coming closer, 7, 8. And again, the same steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, and now we are turning around, 5, 6, and now we are not coming closer, we are opening 7, 8. So I make the step with my right foot to the right, and Kasia is doing a step with her left foot to the left, like this. 7, 8, the opening. Now we are going to show these steps, the whole part from the beginning. First of all, in this direction, in the original position. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now the same steps, but to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this was basically the first part, the first lesson of our new choreography. Now I will invite you to the lesson number 2.